Welcome. You're watching Afternoon Digest with me, Vidusha Agarwal. Join us as we break down the day's top stories and bring you the latest developments from around the globe. In our first, PM Modi reaffirmed his party's commitment to One Nation, One Poll during an interview with ANI ahead of the Lok Sabha elections 2024. He mentioned that the committee formed to prepare a report on ONOP received positive and innovative suggestions. He commended that ED for its efforts in combating black money and corruption in India over the past decade. He dismissed allegations of the BJP misusing central agencies to surpass opposition voices, stating that 97% of the cases handled by the ED involve individuals not affiliated with the politics. Moreover, defending electoral bonds, he said that it made the money trail clear and everyone would regret scrapping it. However, in the interview, PM Modi questioned the Congress party's decision to form an alliance with the DMK in Tamil Nadu, citing the latter's purported anti-Sanatan stance. He criticized the DMK for promoting hatred and venom against Sanatan Dharma and questioned the Congress's rationale for aligning with such a party. The Israeli War Cabinet says that Iran's aggression cannot be overlooked and merits a clear, forceful reaction. They emphasize that Tehran's attempt to establish a precedent through the attack will not go unchallenged, signaling a determination to counter Iranian actions forcefully. Israel's Air Force, equipped with a range of US-made fighter jets, is reportedly preparing for a retaliatory strike against Iran, although no specific timeline has been disclosed. Israeli officials emphasize that while they are ready to respond, they are also wary of escalating tensions into the regional conflict. Now, the US has advised Israel to show restraint, with President Joe Biden cautioning Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu against launching a counter-offensive against Iran. Despite Biden's concerns, the Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant told US Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin on Sunday that Israel has no choice but to respond to the unprecedented missile and drone attack launched by Iran over the weekend. The White House reaffirmed India's significance as a strategic partner of the US, emphasizing that the relationship between Washington and New Delhi is expected to remain strong and unchanged. The Biden administration emphasized India's continued status as a very important partner of the US. The comments from the Biden administration were made during a press briefing by US State Department spokesperson Matthew Miller. Miller addressed questions regarding the US-India relationship, particularly in response to critical reports, articles and opinion pieces concerning the Indian government. India is the world's largest democracy. It is an important strategic partner of the United States, and I expect that to remain true, Miller was quoted as saying by news agency PTI. The bilateral relationship between the US and India has experienced some tension in certain areas. Let us tell you that issues such as the Khalistan movement, attacks on places of worship, targeting of Indian origin individuals by Khalistani groups, and recent statements by the US State Department regarding the arrest of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal have caused friction between the two strategic partners.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, अब की बार 400 पार।
The India Meteorological Department, also called IMD, has issued a heat wave warning for several states across the country, including Maharashtra, North Goa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and West Bengal in its latest weather forecast. In a separate warning specifically for cities in Maharashtra like Thane, Mumbai and Raigad, the IMD forecasts are impending heat wave expected this week. Minimum temperatures ranging from 36 to 38 degrees Celsius are expected in Mumbai and Thane. In northwest India, weather forecast predicts the possibility of rainfall accompanied by strong winds, hail and thunderstorms today. A fresh spell of rain is expected over the next 4 days. In Delhi and other NCR regions, the IMD predicts a cloudy sky with a chance of light rain and windy conditions. The national capital today recorded a minimum temperature of 23.5 degrees Celsius, which is 2 notches above the season's average. The maximum temperature is likely to settle around 35 degrees Celsius. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is planning to charge new X users a small fee to use the social media platform, a move that he believes could solve the bot problem. In reply to an X account that posted about changes in the microblogging platform or website, Elon Musk said charging a small fee to new accounts was the only way to stop the onslaught of bots. Current AI and troll farms can pass you a bot with ease, he said, referring to tools like CAPTCHA. The change in policy was flagged by an automated account that tracks changes to the X's website. As per the account, the company experimented with charging a $1 annual subscription fee for users in the Philippines and New Zealand. New accounts will be able to follow other accounts and browse the platform for free, but a small fee may be required to post or engage in other activities on the platform. The new fee could help X at a time when the company continues to lose value. Since Elon Musk required it or acquired it, the social media platform or giant has shed at least 71% of its value, according to Fidelity. That's all for the afternoon updates. We look forward to bringing you more insightful updates tomorrow. Until then, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.